in our society right now, black women are making a lot more money for the most part than black men, right? There are a lot of black men who are successful, but for the most part, black women are making the money. So if you can find love, if that man works, at whatever job, and is a good man and is good to you, and honors the house and honors his wife and does what he can, that is fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So I agree with Tyler Perry in the basic concept of what he's speaking about and the spirit behind what he's speaking about, which is to say that money is not the only driving factor. And so if your person is making less than you are, that is not a deal breaker. It's not necessarily a big deal. But that is only to a certain limit, to a certain threshold. After that, things change.
Yeah, boy.
Now, what do I not agree with? There are many things that are out of order in a statement like that.
Yes.
And as long as he's secure in himself to know that, yep, she makes most of the money, all I can pay is the light bill. As long as she's comfortable enough to say, I'm going to cover the mortgage and all the other stuff, you handle the light bill, baby, you can take me to dinner every now and then, that is fine.
Yeah.
No! No!
A man that is only able to pay the light bill is a man that needs to get his life together. There are children out there, or teenagers I should say, that in the summertime go and find part-time jobs, and they're able to cover more than light bill with these part-time jobs. So how can a man that wants a family, that wants a woman who is established and intelligent, want to be only capable of paying the light bill and expect to have a long-lasting relationship? The big problem with this is that there's a manual that's written for humans, and in that manual, the male is cursed with the responsibility to work. By your sweat and by the sweat of your brow, you will eat. And of course, the female is given, or the wife, I should say, is given her own 3 curses. Now, if it is a man's curse to work, but we have a relationship where a woman is taking on that responsibility and the man is barely making it, unable to pay the other bills but can cover the light bill and maybe a couple outing for his wife and himself, then that cannot work. Because here we're breaking the primary and the number one principle, where we have a lady working, having to work, and her husband then is doing what? What is his curse? No. What is his responsibility? No. And so that cannot work.
Stop it. Get some help.
Tyler also made a statement, and he was being a little, he was snickering a bit at the thought of someone's friend, or her friends, I should say, evaluating and throwing in their opinion on whether or not she should continue with this person.
This friend them saying,
Yes.
girl, he doing this and he ain't got that.
He had a negative opinion, as far as I could see, on their input. I believe that your friends are very important to you. A friend that is negative against your spouse or your potential spouse is, we can break it down into 2 categories. Either that person is jealous, or those persons are jealous because they don't have what you have, or they care for you and so they are giving you warning. See, in dating and in preparing for relationships, a female should be able to investigate the person she is with. And when you are even incapable of doing that because you're so busy being in love, your friends, on the other hand, they can look out for you with care. The manual tells us again that it is better for you to receive wounds from a friend than to receive a kiss or a hug from an enemy. Which is to say that your friend, when your friend doesn't like somebody and you observe what they're saying, you will find that they care for you. They have a deep caring for you. You are their friend. They want the best for you, and they can see red flags in this person. So when Tyler suggests indirectly that your friends get in the way and want to yes, that's very good. Let him prove himself to the friends also. that he's capable, because they will be seeing things that you are not seeing, especially if you're blindly in love.